Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to prototype menu bar. So I'm going to be quick about this. So I'm going to import frame. Um, so I'll go to Iconify and I'm going to import some icons. So I can have room monitor here. Can have another shape. So I can use Sail and Nova Round for my font. Can use Nova Round. Can make this so I can make this 24. I can go to Avatar and generate an image. I think I need an image of a guy. So I'll give this 50%. So let me go back to Iconify and import app menu icon. You can also import let's say video. This is the space between. Let me add here. Alright, so I can add, you can see dining room. So I'm going to add auto layout to this. I can use, so I can come here, I'll reduce this to 70%. Alright, so can give this color of cyan. Can increase this both to 16. Alright, so I can now go to on splash for some images. I will go to interior, can import this. Okay, so I can use this blue color. Can give this blue color. Alright, so for this, for the menu, I'm going to import Android large. So I'm going to reduce this, and I'm going to drop shadow to this. So I'm going to duplicate this and increase it. Alright, so let me add a rectangle and add stroke. So for these, I'm going to go back on splash and go to interior, and I'm going to add an image. Alright, so I can close this now. I'm going to type monitor here, so this can be 32. So this will be saved. I'm going to add auto layout to this and give this, or I'm going to type edit profile. So I'm going to add auto layout to this. I'm going to give this corner radius of 4. So I can now go back to Iconify. Then go back to Iconify, and I'm going to import some icons. I'm going to import full. And so I can take this out. So I'm going to type home. So let me increase this to 14. I'll add auto layout. Auto layout. So I'm going to add another auto layout to this. And select this, and I can duplicate. I can now drag this in here, and I select this and delete. I'll say my profile. Can drag this in here, delete this, and have settings. Alright, so can bring this here. So I can have app version here. Alright. So I'm going to copy this. Um, let me have, I'm going to have a frame. I'm going to paste this inside this frame. So I'm going to remove this field and convert this into a component. Now I'm going to select this and delete this. I'm going to select this and I'm also going to, so this, I'm going to make it minus 45 degrees. Why this would be 45 degrees? I'm going to ensure it is well positioned. Alright, so I'll go to prototype and I'm going to connect this to this. I'll say on after delay. Okay, after delay, let's say 400, then smart animate to this. Alright, so and this would go back to this from tab. Just it can be instant. Alright, so I'm now going to connect this, just prototype this. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to have a rectangle over this. I'll go to prototype and I'm going to connect this to this. I'll say on tab open overlay. So let it come from the top left. So this has to move in. So moving from the left to right. So this will be easing. So and when you click this, it goes back. That's from right to left. This has to move out and this will be ease out. Alright, so let me now come here. Now I'm going to come here and I'm going to remove the fill so you don't get to see it. Alright, so let me present this. Let's see the effect. Alright, we have this. So if I click here, you see, if I click here, it goes out. If I click here, if I click here, it goes out. If I click here. So, alright, friends, thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel. Bye for now.